Hello, YouTube. I call this part 2. Apologize for the bad lighting, but nature should be providing enough lighting over there. These clouds got all weird, they're just making lots of lightning over there. Lots of lightning, that's just weird. Looks like if you could see it, it looks like an alligator's head almost. Oh yeah, it's lightning. Doesn't make it, oh yeah, that lightning is just huge. It's not over us though. Over us is heat, humidity. Over there, that's down south. What is south? I'll call it southeast for now. Lots of lightning on that cloud though. Oh yeah, that thing is just, wow. I'm gonna call this part 2. We need the rain, it's been so freaking hot. It was 96 today, I think. Something like that. Fahrenheit. 100 and some shit. Oh, that was a big one. 107 with the humidity, the heat index. Ugh. It's all quiet out here. It's rare for this part of town. I thought I'd show you some lightning. Just lots of lightning. Oh yeah, she's forming. She's forming huge. I'm gonna walk. Oh yeah. I might want to see that. That's part 2. That cloud is just nasty huge. It's lightning all the way over to there, but it's not picking up over there. The trees just picking up over here. Wow, that's cool. Well, until next time. Have a good evening. Oof. Till next time, have fun.